and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair has stood still in the last session. The ROC remains in the positive area. Bitcoin has fallen 5.7% in the last two sessions. The RSI is diminishing into the negative zone. The price of gold has stood still in the last session. The stochastic RSI remains in oversold territory. The price of crude oil has traded sideways in the last session. The highs-lows indicator remains in negative territory.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Oil prices edged up slightly but traded in a tight range and briefly dipped on demand worries due to slow vaccine rollouts, which offset bullish sentiment due to a cut in Saudi Arabian oil supply. Britain's government is working on a recovery plan for the country's COVID-battered economy, as ministers direct their attention to trying to restore growth for businesses hit hard by the pandemic. Australia only recently started its quantitative easing program, yet the key question already confronting the central bank is when and how to taper bond purchases given the strong economic recovery.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The U.S. ISM Manufacturing PMI will be released at 1500 GMT. The U.S. Market Manufacturing PMI at 1445 GMT. Germany's retail sales at 700 GMT. The U.K.'s Market Manufacturing PMI will be released at 930 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 030 GMT. Japan's monetary base at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.